Welcome to Bosch Bluehound. This is the admin dashboard that you will land on right when you log in. This gives the administrator of the system full visibility to everything that is happening within the company. You'll see here that you have all the tools, vehicles, and employees that are currently accessed within the system. These tools can also be any type of equipment. You'll also be able to see the status set of these pieces of equipment, whether they be available in maintenance, lost, currently retired from the system, as well as the same status settings for vehicles. In addition, you'll be able to see all the new events that might be coming up in regards to the equipment that you have for your company. This could be everything from certification requirements to maintenance activities, all stored right here on the dashboard. We enhance the system with location. So Bosch Bluehound utilizes Bluetooth trackers in order to find the last seen location of your items. This allows anyone within the company who has access to be able to see where their equipment is distributed and on what job sites very quickly and easily from the Locations tab. You'll also notice that we're able to handle in Bosch Bluehound tools, consumables, vehicles, warehouses, job sites, and job boxes. This allows you to be able to monitor your full fleet of equipment from a central warehouse or even out on the job sites themselves.